Hello everyone! A few days ago I shared a video on how to cook a delicious tri-tip in the oven, and today I will show you how I actually serve it. We don't eat it by itself but incorporate it in many different salads, and today I will share one of many I have come up with over the years. Start by adding 2 cups of spring mix salad in a large bowl, but you can use a different mix of greens should you wish. Next, add 3 ounces of cubed tri-tip, and this is a great way to add protein to your salad. The link to that recipe it's in the notes of this video if you want to cook it the way I do. Then chop a quarter of a pear. It adds a nice texture and sweetness to the salad, and make sure to use the pear variety with brownish skin. Next, chop 1 large or 2 smaller dried dates into small pieces. The taste of the date with the last ingredient is just incredible. Before mixing, add 2 teaspoons of good quality olive oil, 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar, and a pinch of Himalayan salt. Then mix all the ingredients well together for a few seconds and add the final topping, about 20 grams of gorgonzola cheese. Don't use more than that because it's a very strong cheese and it will overwhelm the rest of the ingredients. However, combined with the pear, the date, and the balsamic vinegar makes for a unique and very palatable experience. I call this salad a celebration of flavors. I hope you try it and I'm sure you will enjoy it. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.